So I will solve this question. Question is, prove that a1 into a2 dot dot a to n to the power 1 by 2n less or equal to a1 plus a2 plus dot 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 plus a to the power n divided by 2 to the power n for all n belongs to capital N. We have to show that. So let us consider this statement is Pn. Okay. So take n equal to 1. Then we will see that a1 into a2 to the power 1 by 2, and the right hand side will be 1 plus a2. This is divided by 2. So simply this is gm and this is am between two numbers a1 and a2, and we know gm is always less or equal to am, that is this. So therefore for n equal to this, will show that Pn is true or n equal to 1. Okay? Let us consider Pn is true for n equal to k. So therefore we can write then a1 a2 dot dot a to the power 2 to the power k to the power 1 by 2 to the power k less or equal to a1 plus a2 plus dot dot plus a to the power 2 to the power k divided by 2 to the power k. This is true. If we assume Pn is true for n equal to k, then you can put k in the place of n. So we put this. Now consider a new number bi, okay, which is a function of ai, that is a2 to the power k plus I for I equal to 1 to up to 2 to the power k. That means we consider another 2k numbers, that is number of how many numbers are there, 2 to the power k numbers are there, which we consider as bi as a function of ai. So we consider a 2 to the power k plus 1, a 2 to the power k plus 2, and up to a 2 to the power k plus 2 to the power k, this number. That means we consider 2 to the power k numbers after this number 2 to the power k. Okay? So as we consider by the hypothesis, by the induction of hypothesis, bi also satisfy this property for this. This is for 2 to the power k number. So we can write b1 b2 dot dot b to the power 2 to the power k to the power 1 by 2 to the power k less or equal to b1 plus b2 plus dot dot plus b2 to the power k 2 to the power k. This is 1. Now say this is p and this is q. Therefore by this 1, p means you consider this side as p and as well as this side of p, and q, this side is q as well as this side of q. So if you apply this first property between these two numbers p and q, you will get p into q to the power half less or equal to p plus q to the power 2. Okay? You will get this using 1. Now put the value of pq as this is p, this is q. Similarly, in the right side, you put the value of pq as the right hand side of this inequality. So as this is p and this is q. Okay? So I will put the value pq, p as this, q as this. Let me use another color here. So in the left hand side, I will put p as this and q as this. So in the left hand side, I will put this and this in the places of p and q respectively. Similarly, in the right hand side, I will put the value of p and q, this and this. Okay? Let's see what we will get. So left hand side will be this into this to the power half, and right hand side will be this plus this divided by 2. Okay? So this is PQ to the power half less or equal to p plus q to the power 2. P is a1 a2 dot dot a to the power k. This is to the power 1 by 2k into q. Q is in the place of a is b, b1 b2 up to b 2 to the power k to the power 1 by 2 to the power k. This is p, this is q, and all to the power half. Less or equal to this is p plus q. P is a1 plus a2 plus up to plus a to the power 2k divided by 2k plus b1 plus b2 plus dot dot plus b 2 to the power k divided by 2 to the power k, and this is 2. Now what we will get? This side, this will be this side, so this will be 1 by 2 to the power k plus 1, and this is a1 a2 a2 to the power k, and this is b1 b2 b2 to the power k. That means a1 a2 dot dot a2 to the power k, and b1 means a 2 to the power k plus 1, b2 means a 2 to the power k plus 2, up to b2k means a 2 to the power k into 2 to the power k, sorry, plus, this is plus, okay, to the power k plus 1, and less or equal to this divided by this divided by this. So therefore you will get a1 plus a2 plus dot 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 plus a 2 to the power k. This is for a, plus for b will be 2 to the power k plus 1, and up to plus a to the power 2k plus 2k. So this is b, and divided by 2k, and this is 2, that is 2 to the power k plus 1. Okay. So this is 2 plus 2 to the power k. 2k plus 2 to the power k. It is, if you 2 to the power k common, so 1 plus 1, that is 2, that is 2 into 2 to the power k, that was 2 to the power k plus 1. So in the place you can write a1 a2 dot dot up to a to the power 2k plus 1 all to the power 2 to the power k plus 1. This is less or equal to, this will be a1 plus up to a 2 to the power k plus 1 divided by 2 to the power k plus 1. So ultimately we will get this. That is Pn is true for n equal to k plus 1. So we assume that the statement Pn is true for n equal to k, and we prove that the statement is true for n equal to k plus 1. Therefore we say the statement Pn is true for all n belongs to vector n. Okay? So here we consider Bi as a 2k plus I. So in the place of b1 b2 b2k we put in the form of a in the both side. So therefore as this is the number just after that 2 to the power k, similarly this is up to 2 to the power k, 2 to the power k, that is 2 to the power k plus 1. So this side will become a1, from a1 to a 2 to the power k plus 1, we write this. Similarly in the numerator this is a1 a2 up to a to the power a suffix, in the suffix 2 to the power k plus 1. So this is a1 plus that a 2 to the power k plus 1 and divided by 2 to the power k plus 1. So by the first principle of induction, we can say this statement is true for all n belongs to vector n. That's it. Thank you.